Medical providers need to learn survey design so they can stop sending us crap forms. Nerks, I love you, but this one's for you. Today I had to do my semi-annual check-in on how my migraines are going. And the form was so bad. Not only is Nerks getting bad information about my migraines, but it was a bad user experience for me. It was confusing, it wasted time, it makes me lose faith in how they are using this information to improve my treatment. Let's take a peek at some of the highlights, or lowlights, if you will. First, they want to know if I'm satisfied with my current headache medications. This is a bad question. Here's why. I'm on multiple headache medications. I'm satisfied with some, and I'm less than satisfied with others. I have to answer about all of them together in one big group, and I can only say yes, satisfied, or no, not satisfied. As a patient, I'm looking at this and I'm like, I don't want to change my medication, so I should just say yes. Because if I say no, that might raise a flag and they'll be like, oh, maybe we should put her on something else. And I don't like change. So I say yes. But what I really want to say is one, super satisfied with, it's amazing. And the other, maybe it could be better. This question that makes me answer about all of them at once and in a very discrete binary yes, no way, you're not capturing that nuance, which means you're not giving me the best care that I could receive. And you're definitely not getting the most accurate data from me. Let's push forward. Then you ask, which medications are you currently taking? And you list the ones that you prescribe for me. So cool, get that. I'm currently taking both of these medications that you prescribe. So I check them. The minute I saw the next screen, I feared I had made a mistake because you asked how often I take rizatriptan when I get a headache. And this makes sense for rizatriptan because it is an acute medication that you take when you have a migraine. But it doesn't make sense for metoprolol, which is just a daily preventative medication. So the minute I saw this, I was like, should I go back and unclick metoprolol? But then they think I'm not taking it, and I am taking it. But if I click it, am I gonna get this same question about it? Yes, I am. I'm going to be asked how often I take metoprolol when I get a headache, which I guess is all the time because I take it every day, but I'm not taking it for the headache. Do you see the confusion here? It gets worse. How quickly does metoprolol succinate work? It's a daily medication. This question makes sense for Maxalt. Maxalt works in a few hours for me. This I'm just taking before I go to bed. I don't know how long it takes to work. I'm taking it every day. It's working. You can't group daily and acute medications together and have us answer the same questions about them because they function differently. And judging by your next question, on some level you knew this because now you're asking me if I'm taking medication daily to prevent headaches. And I'm saying yes. And I'm like, do I go back and delete all my responses about metoprolol now because that's the daily medication and I guess you were asking about acute even though you didn't say it? Confusing as hell. And there's more questions like this, but just bad form design, bad data, bad decisions.